everybody, and welcome to the chart of the day off of ARMR Investing, the one chart off of our trading desk that I think you should be paying attention to going into the weekend. I appreciate you spending time with me. I'm Brett Rosenthal. ARMR Investing is a virtual hedge fund experience. What we're doing here is sharing information off our trading desk focused on day trading, swing trading, and investing information that makes money. We're sharing it with you, give you some thoughts. Now, when I say a virtual hedge fund experience, it means you're the portfolio manager on the desk. You got to take the information, figure out if it fits your risk tolerance, your goals, and all those types of things. So I'm sharing with you what I do personally. You figure out if it fits for you. So what I like to do every day at 4 o'clock is share with you one chart off the desk that I think deserves attention. And what I'm going to do on Sunday night, 7 o'clock, futures open at 6. I'll be here at 7 chatting with you. And we'll go over the week in review. Stocks that are in focus on our trading desk, stocks that we're buying off the trading desk, stocks that we're watching off the trading desk. Okay? And we'll figure out how we want to execute going into the new week once we see futures open and digest any news from over the weekend. So without further ado, so we can get to the weekend, let's look at this chart. And I shared with you, not that chart. This is Biogen IDEC, or let's just call it Biogen. They just got approval from the FDA for the Alzheimer's drug. That'll be interesting tomorrow, on Monday. What I want to share with you is CCJ. We talked about this last week, 7 days ago. We were highlighting CCJ and URA. That's uranium. Okay. And so what I submit to you today as the number one stock on our desk to pay attention to is FTI. Let's take a look at FTI and let's dive into energy real quick. FTI has been and continues to be one of our favorite oil service companies. And so what I'm going to look at with you here is oil service in general. That's the ETF OIH. You could see the green box is where we got long on our trading desk. It moved a little bit higher this week. And the top name on our desk is FTI. Broke out of this base last year, ripped higher, has made a nice pennant formation, and broke out again. So we've added this stock to the portfolio. The red line is our stop, and then we just see how high it can go. All right, as a second kind of bonus idea, Tidewater, rig, the drilling stocks are primed to move higher. So we'll see if next week we get follow through in energy. We've already got our uranium, our favorite names, CCJ and URA. Will we get follow through on energy next week? If we do, FTI is the number one chart on the desk for us when it comes to oil service companies. And I'm going to wrap up this thought with a bonus idea. An ARMR analyst on our desk who's been spot on when it comes to energy for the last couple of years continues to highlight Range Resources. And at some point in here, we're thinking, and you can see, this is XOP, which is the ETF of all of the all of the E&P companies, energy exploration production in the U.S. Downtrend has been broken. The green boxes are where we've been accumulating. Up on the week, had a nice week. We expect M&A to come back into this space. And Range Resources is at the top of our list when it comes to stocks that may be acquired. If the stock hits this green box next week, we'll be getting long that asset. And quite frankly, some of us on the desk are already long it. So there's your bonus idea. FTI, Range Resources. I look forward to seeing all of you Sunday night on the live trading desk. And hey, don't forget, we have a free trial now. If you want to join us on the desk for 5 days free to see what we're up to, follow that to armorinvesting.com/trial. And you can join us on the desk. We'd love to have you. See you guys next Sunday, this Sunday, coming up, 7 o'clock. Have a great weekend, everybody.